Most of the times, you always try to test different Arduino project using the same components. If it is an output of data, you may use serial monitor or a display. The most famous 16:2 LCD display is being used. But the problem is, you have to do the wiring in each time. Are you also fed up with this? If so, watch this video. You need the LCD display, jumper wires, 10 kilo-ohm variable resistor, 220 ohm resistor, and use a socket to connect the LCD display. I am using female header connector as a socket. Circuit diagram. You can find the connections to be set with jumper cable to Arduino and the other wiring as well. Shall we start soldering? First, solder the socket, and then remove the display and solder the other parts to the board. If you look at my LCD display, you can see that I have already connected ground pins on the LCD display itself. Now solder the jumper wire to connect with the Arduino. So you need jumper wires to the LCD pin numbers 4, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14 and the ground pin to pin number 1 and 5 volt to pin number 2. Now your Arduino LCD shield is ready. When you want to do a project, just connect 5 volt and ground wires with Arduino and LCD pin 11 to pin number 14 at the pins of Arduino pin number 5 to pin number 2. If you can use super glue and stick all the pins together, you can easily connect with Arduino. We can check the shields with uploading the example code to the shield. Once the code is uploaded, if you cannot see on the display, you can tune the view using the variable resistor. When you connect the shield with Arduino and PC, you can see the backlight of LCD display illuminated. This is actually a tool to you for making future projects. I hope you have learned new thing with this video. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay with SetNFix.